So I can imagine that no one was smiling when they picked up a copy of The Gleaner just to discover the article, Dental Nightmare. President of Dental Hygienists Association, Stacey Tennant, and head of dental preventative programs in Kingston, Dr. Renee Francis, is here. And they're going to discuss this, help us sleep better when we think about this nightmare. Morning, ladies.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thanks for having us.
Stacey Ann, boy, I don't even know where to start. How prevalent is it becoming? And I want to clarify that it's not just in dentistry, you know? People are in every field now. You have to be sure to know who they are and so on. But is it really prevalent here?
I am not aware of the prevalence, but we do have,
Quite a few.
yeah, we do.
So according to the article yesterday, we have 25% of the dentists we need in Jamaica. There
That
are
is
currently
so.
some 300 and odd registered, certified dentists, but we
302.
need like 900 more. Why didn't we think of this when we were going to school? What is our problem? What's wrong with us?
I couldn't do it.
Oh, that's true.
Why?
Because it's
Because when people are bald, me I go bald.
Doc, it's a serious
That is
issue.
not- it is a serious issue. There's no empirical
Evidence
to support the number as yet. However, there is an increase. It's rising to the amount of people that are untrained out there that are doing dentistry.
And what are some of the issues that you see with people coming forward? How do you become aware, first of all, of people who are suffering at the hands of these
The
quacks, we call them?
complications that patients would come into the office with after going to these butch so-called doctors.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Various pains and laceration
I had
and
a friend who
abscesses.
had a broken jaw.
Yes, you do have that.
From a quack dentist?
Yeah, well, so this is
Clearly.
what I want to start with now. How do you know? What are some of the signs that you look out for, Doc? One of the first things is the money. I'm seeing that. I had a conversation with someone. When them tell me that somebody said they can brace the teeth for $50,000,
Yeah.
me say what them are going
Red
to use
flag.
brace it PVC because the braces can't cost that amount of money.
Cost
so
is
is that a
definitely
red
factor.
flag?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and also when you're seeking to have orthodontic treatments, the first thing that you need to have is a consultation. You have to have x-rays done. You have to have the treatment explained to you, so you can't just go to somebody and just say, okay, I need braces, and they start putting on the brackets.
Well, outside of the braces, there are other things that people do more frequently.
Yeah.
Extractions,
Cleanings,
fillings,
cleanings,
cleanings.
yeah.
So people are using acrylic to fill people's teeth.
They
Yeah,
do.
they do.
Sounds correct. Oh, okay. So there's a website that tells you who the accredited dentists are, right?
Yes, we do
What's
have.
it called? The dental.
Is it the dental
Jam-
council? The
Jamaica Dental
Council.
Council.com.
Okay. So you can head there to see who the dentists are.
And yeah,
But-
so you have they have their registration numbers, and then they'll give you update to see if these persons are licensed, because a dentist they have to have their licensures every 2 years, right?
Yes, so they show you whether or not you're currently licensed.
You know, first me I hear this.
Interesting, right?
Me I go Google something.
You have to.
And it's
Jamaica
also and it's
Dental
al- yeah, and it's
Council.
also the case now for the dental hygienist, because first you will be registered and then you wouldn't have any licensure, but now the dental council comes in with a new protocol that every registered dental hygienist have to have their licensures.
Stacey, and clarify dental hygienist for me.
All right, so a dental hygienist, we are trained to work alongside with the dentist to meet the common goal for a patient's oral health. So we're the ones who we do examinations, we screen for oral cancers, we remove hard and soft deposit, which is plaque and calculus. We also
You're the certified people to help.
Yeah.
So if a dentist is working and them just have
yeah, so
somebody
we're the
where
preventative
them a try a
agency.
thing.
So we normally do the preventative treatments in dentistry.
You clean and all these
Clean,
things.
we do whitening, sealant, fluoride treatments, we go through medical histories, we do radiographs, everything.
Yeah.
So we're looking at accreditation. Check the Jamaica Dental Council
Yes.
website, and you also have your
Yeah, so when persons are joining the association, we do a check with the dental council to see if these persons
Are
are
also, so
registered.
check the accreditation, check the pricing, because that's also a problem.
But if you don't know the range of the pricing, then you don't know. That's my
Them
fear.
know,
I
them
mean,
know.
persons know that dentistry is expensive, and it's because a lot of it contributes a lot of factors why we have to charge. You have overhead, you have maintenance
Very
of
high
equipment,
overhead,
you
yes.
have a
Also,
lot.
it's a very skilled profession.
Yes,
Skilled
it is.
labor, dentists invest millions of dollars
Yeah,
in
you have
training.
to maintain your equipment because if you go to a dentist's office, if you see that the prices are expensive, best believe you'll get the best treatment because they have the world-class equipment to
Equipment.
treat you.
Doctor, what are the red flags? If you are going to the dentist and you don't happen to be able to look at a website, you walk into an office, what should send your signals or alarm bells off if you walk in and further, if you get into that chair? What are some of the things that would say, this no feel right?
Well, first, in the dental office, the dentist is supposed to visibly have something in the office to prove that they are a dentist, that they have a current practicing license. So all of that should be displayed in the
Something that
office.
says DDS. Is DDS, yeah?
DDS or DMD.
Depending on where you're
Stuff,
changing,
yeah.
have different.
So I want to
acronym.
ask another question, because there are some people who get a law degree elsewhere, but they have to be approved here. If I study dentistry overseas, do I get something here as well?
You do. That is the practicing certificate.
May I clarify, because sometimes
yes,
you walk into people walk into dental offices and you see certificate on the wall from the University of never know where that country is, but because it's up there, yes, so well, this person is certified.
That's right.
But you're saying it don't matter where, they
No,
must be certified there.
Right. There must be a practicing certificate given by the dental council.
Okay.
Here. And another thing to add to that is that you would walk into or somewhere called a dental office. You would not see anything like that, a practicing certificate. The patient would come to you and say to you, oh, a Mr. So-and-so or a Stacy, a Carmen went into my mouth. And you said, Doctor who? And they said, no, it's not a doctor. It's Carmen or it's Bev or it's Peter. And then from that you'd pick up that, something is different. Something is quite wrong with that. They will come in the office and they will say, oh, this office looks so lovely. I went somewhere with basically dirt floor and, all of this, a little shack.
Or the dentist came to their home.
Or the dentist came to their own home. They can actually call and have the dentist come into Eva Plaza shopping center to see them.
Dogs is a problem.
So
People are already so apprehensive about going to the dentist that this is not needed. But anyway.
Website again, Jamaica Dental Council.
Yeah.
Okay, so Google and you will find the dentists who are registered, because even if you see some certification in those offices, those things can be forged. So check before you make your appointment. Make an appointment with a reputable dentist so you don't have to go through hell.
All of that
Yes.
ordeal.
Ordeal, and if you go back and fix it, no.
And again, all
Very quickly,
dentists
Dr.
coming in the country, all dentists that are trained here, they have to do a state board exam to be qualified to treat patients.
Or we have to go, you see the man we are clinching jaw. We don't want to know, have to go fix the teeth. Them have time grind them down from with this morning because time is gone. President of the Dental Hygienists Association, Stacey Tennant, and Head of Dental Preventative Programs in Kingston at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Renee Francis.
Nothing to smile about, but after the break, we're putting a smile on one little girl's face. We'll be right back.